Well, I was out here on this RK25, just got a few days ago. Got the forks on it right now because I was over here picking up a bunch of junk. Pulled out all this stuff. Got this area brush mowed a little bit. So, decent size area right here to kind of filter out the junk. Thought I would get the camera out and show you guys how this thing does with the forks on it. Slowly moving my way up, pulled out all that stuff from right here. We still got a refrigerator over there, got a dryer, it looks like. A few more of those ponds maybe, some barrels, stuff like that. Bunch of fencing over there as well. But also, if you guys enjoy this video, want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because as of right now, pretty sure I got 0 subscribers last time I checked. And I think my channel would be a little bit cooler if I at least had 1 subscriber. But yeah, let's go ahead and start this thing up and start pulling out more of this stuff. washer and fridge out. It's kind of a tight fit getting in here. Tried to pick this thing up a few times, but some of this stuff, it's probably worth just getting off and picking it up with my hands. It's such a tight fit, but I don't know, kind of like using these forks to pick stuff up. Also, it's good practice, try to get small things. But yeah, some of this stuff back here, it's kind of being blocked by that tree there, this tree, and this stuff. So I think I'm gonna leave this until I get those trees cut down. Might go around and pick a few of this stuff up by hand, or pull the forks up here, load it up, go dump it. But I guess I can go over here and show you all the fridge and dryer that I picked up. This fridge is pretty heavy. I mean, I don't think I could have picked that up by myself. Probably could have dragged it, but yeah, could have got that myself. But it makes it so much easier using this tractor. I've never used any equipment like this, so this is awesome. Not having to break your back over something just like an old fridge, pulling it out of here. But if you guys want to see more videos on this thing, let me know down in the comments. Also, if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see on this thing, let me know down in the comments as well. If I get a lot of likes on this video, maybe I'll make a video of me chopping down these two trees here and picking up all this stuff with the tractor. A lot of fencing, scrap metal, stuff like that. Well, yeah guys, I will see y'all in the next one.